Hi everyone, this is Mary from MySourceify, and today we are going to talk about a quite heated topic, which is classification of masks and how to distinguish good quality masks from bad quality masks. So generally speaking, we have two types of masks, flat masks and folding masks. These are the flat masks and these are folding masks. So flat masks are divided into disposable civilian masks, disposable medical masks, and surgical masks. For folding masks, the masks that we are more familiar with at the moment are KN95. These masks also divide into medical and non-medical masks, and they have them with and without breathing valves. Let me show you what I mean. This one is with a breathing valve, and this one does not have the breathing valve. So how to distinguish if your mask is medical or non-medical? It basically depends on the standard of the mask. We will elaborate more on this topic on our next video, but today we are going to talk about mainly about classification of masks and how to distinguish good quality masks from bad ones. So let's get into it. The first thing we are going to see is the parts of the masks. So the basic parts of the masks are the mask body, the ear loop, and nose bridge. For flat masks, the nose bridge is basically built in, as you can see. And for KN95, we have two types of masks. One with built-in nose bridge, like this one, and the other type that is external nose bridge. So these are the type of masks that we have. Generally speaking, masks have three layers. One layer of non-woven fabric, one layer of melt-blown cloth, and another layer of non-woven fabric. So here I'm going to show you the parts of the mask. KN95, this is the KN95 mask. So this is one layer of non-woven fabric, one layer of melt-blown cloth, one layer of hot air cotton, another layer of melt-blown cloth, and one layer of non-woven fabric. So this mask has 5 layers, but KN95 they have them also with 4 layers, and the 4-layer mask usually do not have the hot air cotton layer. So here it comes the most important part of our topic today: how to distinguish good quality mask from bad one. So it's very difficult to know the quality of the mask, but you can basically know the quality of the mask by looking at its appearance. You can see that the mask should not have any sharp parts. When wearing it, you should not feel any obvious pressure or pain on your face, but you should make sure that the mask is in close contact to your face. Also, the mask should not deform when you are using it. When you are breathing, the mask should not deform. So on the other hand, another way to check the quality of the mask is to check the melt-blown cloth. So here I have 3 samples of the melt-blown cloth. The melt-blown cloth is the main part of the mask. So here I have 3 types of melt-blown cloth. 2 of these are 25 grams and one is 50 grams, as you can see. So what's the difference between the 25 grams? Is that one of them is more elastic than the other. So now I'm going to show you that the melt blanc cloth is very fragile and it breaks easily. This one, it can break very easily, and when you hear the sound, it sounds kind of like paper-like. So this other one, which the quality is way better than the other, we break it. The sound is not so much, and you can see that you need a little bit more strength in order to break it. So this is the difference between these three melt blanc cloth. As for the filtering rate, the 25 grams melt blanc cloth is better than the 50 grams. The higher the filtration rate of the mask, of the melt blanc cloth, the better it will work for you. So now we are going to make some different types of experiments. If you want to know the quality of your mask, you can also try these experiments as well. So our first test is the electrostatic test. And what you need are some scraps of paper. I have some already here. And you need a mask like this one. So what you're basically going to do is to place the mask on top of the scraps of paper. I'm going to show you now. So as you can see, the mask attracted the scraps of paper. If the mask does not attract the scraps of paper, it means that this mask does not have the melt blanc cotton inside. Since the melt blanc cloth goes through some electrostatic process, it will attract the scraps of paper. If the mask does not do this, then it means that the quality of the mask is bad. And the next test that we are going to make is a waterproof test. So press the outer layer of the mask and form a ball like this. Pour some water on it. Now I'm going to pour some water. If the water do not penetrate the outer layer of the mask, it means that this mask is functioning correctly, and it will play its protective role as it should. So I have another mask that I have prepared previously with water. This one, the water has been here for about 5 minutes, and it did not penetrate. It did not penetrate the mask. The main function of the outer layer of the mask is to prevent water from splashing in. And our third experiment is the melt blanc cloth experiment. So the middle filter compartment of the mask is very important because it's where germs and other things get filtrated. So what we're going to do is to take a mask and cut it. And we are going to remove the middle layer of the mask, which is the melt blanc cloth. So we are going to remove the middle layer of the mask. So now what we are going to do is to burn the melt blanc cloth. And as you can see, the melt blanc cloth will only melt and it will not generate any smoke. And this is because the melt blanc cloth went through an electrostatic process before. So it means it's playing its protective role. So these experiments can only help you to distinguish good quality masks from bad ones in a very easy way. but the specific quality inspection of the mask should be carried out by institutions or professionals who are authorized to do this. And so this is the end of our video today. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, just give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being with us today, and we hope to see you in our next video.